So it was actually a wee bit cloudy, I think, really, where Joe was. What's it looking like?
Yeah, it's probably why England won the toss and chose to bowl, actually. First day of the Test match and the first day of meteorological summer. And we are going to see some sunshine coming out at Lord's during this afternoon and for the evening session as well. And for some parts of the country, it looks like summer and it feels like summer. And generally, again, west is best. That's where we're going to find the highest temperatures, typically into the low 20s. Further east, it's still a bit of a struggle with this cloud that's coming in off the North Sea, and where it sticks, those temperatures are going to be nearer 14 degrees. Temperatures more widely getting up to 20 or 21 degrees in the sunshine. Nice day and dry once again. But the sun is going to be quite strong. We've got high UV levels all the way from the Channel Islands into the Northern Isles of Scotland.
Good afternoon. It was another frustratingly cloudy start first thing this morning. This afternoon, brighter, yes. We might just see one or two sunny spells depending on where you are. Now, this was Baker Street, Regent's Park through this morning. Low cloud, but it's been dry.
Hello there, and a very good evening to everybody at home. And we did eventually get to see a little bit of sunshine breaking through today, but there is going to be more on offer in terms of sunshine for the next few days. We're still going to hang on to that fairly chilly breeze and still staying dry out there as well. But then from Friday into Saturday, it's going to stay largely dry. And again, we will get to see more in the way of sunshine, perhaps temperatures coming up a degree or so, highs of around 21 degrees Celsius. But right the way through the outlook, we hang on to that northeasterly breeze. And then it's the early part of next week, we will start to see a little bit more in the way of cloud. Well, it's potentially a tricky few days for hay fever sufferers to come. As we head through Friday, Saturday and through Sunday, the pollen count is going to be high. Tree pollen has now dropped back to low. Bye-bye.
Thank you very much, Rita. Good evening to you. Another beautiful shot for you here. This is a Weather Watcher picture from North Wales. The weather's been very familiar today, really. The west has been sunniest and warmest. The east, some places in the east anyway, have struggled with quite a lot of cloud. That certainly had an effect on the temperatures. 24 degrees in parts of northwest Wales, just 11 for parts of eastern England and northeast Scotland. But with sunshine more widespread tomorrow, high UV levels really from Shetland all the way down to the Channel Islands, so protect yourself if you're out for any length of time.
Day of June, I'm just wondering if the temperatures are going to get any warmer, any higher?
Well, it hasn't been too bad, Assad, but I agree with you, the mornings have been a little bit chilly, particularly, and actually there are no huge changes to come over the next few days, but there are some subtle ones, as I will outline. But today it was one of those familiar, cloudy and, yes, as Assad says, rather chilly mornings, but by the afternoon the sun had emerged, and in that sunshine temperatures got up to around 20 degrees.
Hello there. There's no rain in the forecast for the next few days, and the first day of meteorological summer got off to a sparkling start here in Eastbourne in East Sussex. Many parts of the country saw the sunshine coming through, but not everywhere. Some eastern areas of Scotland and eastern England stayed cloudy, and as a result quite a bit cooler as well.
Good evening to you. We've had mixed conditions to start the new month, but brighter skies return as we end the week and feeling pleasantly warm in that sunshine.